recording. So we're looking at frequency polygons and histographs. It's recording. If you say something, if the speaker's good enough, it might hear you.
Yo, hi. Hi.
Thanks, guys.
My name's Belinda. Is that recording?
It is recording, yes. So, girls, all right. What a frequency histogram or polygraph does is it takes our data and makes it into a shape so we can see generally what's happening in it. It's only useful on continuous data. So things like your favorite color isn't going to be useful for a frequency histogram or polygon, but something like the number of siblings, we could do a graph like that because the numbers are increasing as we go across. Yeah. So continuous just means we're seeing how many have 1, how many have 2, how many have 3, etc. Does that make sense? Happy with that? Okay, we have this data here and we're going to make a frequency histogram and polygon. So we're going to take our data and our data is going to go here. It's hard to draw it on this board. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't think we have a 6, but we're at 6. And then along here we're going to have our frequency or our total. We'll just write frequency with a full stop. And I think we need to go up by 2. So we're going to have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And we can keep going, but we don't need to. Now what we're going to do is it's just like a column graph. For 1, we have 6. So we're going to go up to 6. And we're going to go from one edge across to the other edge and draw our box down. For 2, we have 7. So we draw the same thing, but up to 7. And we go down. For 3, we only have 2, so we go to the 2. For 4, we have none, so we don't draw anything. We draw the line across there. And then for 5, we have 1, so we go up to 1. So that there is our frequency histogram. It's a column graph, but each bar touches each other. And you can begin to see most people are coming in this area for whatever our data is. And that could be siblings. With our frequency polygon, we'll make that red. We put a dot in the middle of each column at the top. Okay, we'll put a star for this because it won't work. So at the beginning of in each one, we go down here. We start at 0, we go up, and then we connect our dots. So we're doing this. So the frequency polygon is the red part. The boxes is the frequency histogram. So you don't need them both. It's, pretty much like a line graph. Except in these things, it's the area that you're making here that makes the data is in. So you can see this is a big lot of things here. A line graph is a bit different because it's not the number underneath so much. But it's pretty much like a line graph. Yeah. If you're doing polygon, you don't need the columns. The histogram, you put the columns in. If you're asked to do a polygon, you just do that. If you are asked to do both, you put them both. Yeah. So that's it. We have here an example. Would somebody like to come and help us with this one? Rihanna, for volunteering, you may come up. Thank you. So we'll put our data down the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll put our total. Okay. So this one, can you draw the histogram? Oh, thank you. Girls, do people agree that this is how we draw it? All right. Would somebody like to help us with the polygon?
No.
Do you have anyone willing to do it? All right, I will finish it for us. we start at our 0. Our frequency starts at 0. We go up to the top of 1, across to here, down. We stay flat. We go, whoops, we go to there, and then we go down.
So when you record, what happens if you make a mistake?
I can hit the back arrow and I can restart that slide. Oh. Your frequency polygon will look something like that. Hopefully that makes sense to you all. I think there might be one more slide. That's just the syllabus content we've covered. This is where I would say if you have any questions, ask me in class, but we're in class, so you can ask me any questions.